It is, without question, one of New England's and the nation's most iconic landmarks. Not too shabby for a simple fishing shack, with a name born in the frustration of a high school teacher whose art students seemed to want to sketch that one shack and nothing else.
And he would give them a hard time because they weren't looking for other, more interesting sites. And he just threw up his hands one day and said, "That's it. Motif number one again. That's all you guys can do."
In time, the Rockport students were joined at their easels on T Wharf by legions of artists, and Motif number one began to achieve a certain cult status as a landmark landscape, all of which amuses some former Rockport students.
They'll say it's the most photographed, the most painted object in Massachusetts, in the United States, in the world. And I just want to know how people know that. I mean, I'm thinking the Eiffel Tower could be up there. It's been there for over 100 years. The local fishermen and lobstermen use it to store their gear.
Actually, technically, the Motif number one you see today has only been around for just over 40 years. The original was wrecked in the blizzard of 1978.
It was rebuilt from the original plan, so it's very realistic, but it's not the original.
What's more, it's not even Rockport's only replica Motif number one. Number two sits in a small boatyard just up the road. Some Rockport natives don't even say the word motif.
Well, I've lived in Rockport for 73 years. I don't remember hearing it called the motif until later on in life. I just remembered it's motive number one, and that was it.
Whatever you call it, you can't always judge a landmark by its cover. Turns out what makes Motif number one most interesting is not what millions have painted and photographed, but what most visitors never see at all.
Okay, welcome to the Motif number one on a rainy day here in Rockport.
Among the many hats Captain Billy Lee wears is keeper of the collection in the attic of Motif number one. Part museum, part time capsule, part, well, tough to say.
I got a collection from some of the boats I've salvaged, and then people started bringing stuff down.
And there's no rhyme or reason to
No,
it, clearly.
Absolutely not at all.
Yeah.
I mean, everything from Bobby Hebb once played on that sax up there.
This is like a little hidden gem inside a famous landmark.
Yep, exactly.
And you thought it was just a photogenic fishing shack. Who knew?
Wow, and given its popularity with artists and photographers, it's easy to forget that Motif number one is actually still part of Rockport's working waterfront.
Right, fishermen still store their gear inside for a fee, and occasionally they add a little something to that little attic museum as well, which is kind of cute. That is Chronicle for tonight. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I'm Anthony Everett.
And I'm Shannon Seymour. We'll see you back here tomorrow night. Good night, everyone.